Hi guys, and today I'm going to be doing a showcase on Bird Cat or UFO Cat. So my Bird Cat or UFO Cat is max right now. It does not have very much health, and it has normal attack power, and it has area attack. So that's why you use Bird or UFO. They have area attack. So I'm going to show you how the Bird Cat and UFO Cat go. So Bird Cat is the unevolved version, and the UFO is the evolved. So here's the Bird Cat. Hacha! Hacha! So, as you can see, it's floating. And let's see, it has pretty good attack. And so yeah, now I'm going to be showing you the UFO Cat. The UFO Cat looks cooler, especially when it does its attack. So UFO Cat is usually used when there's a lot of enemies. Same with, well, yeah, but more UFO because it's, max. Okay. Show you the UFO Cat. See? There's purple lasers. That's why I like it. Purple lasers. Purple. Yay! So, that was the Bird Cat and UFO Cat showcase. I hope you enjoyed. Bye. Stay tuned for more Pretty Kitty.